Okay guys, we're about to start the demolition of this kitchen and show you guys what it's gonna look like at the end. Alright, we're gonna take the cabinets off, change the faucets, change all the appliances. The refrigerator is gonna be, I'm gonna probably keep the fridge, but it's gonna change the door on the outside to match the new cabinets. Pantry closets, these are all gonna be done. New stuff. All right, we're gonna take all the furniture, we're wrapping all the stuff, moving everything. Right now the guys are working. Everybody's wrapping everything up. Boxes everywhere. And it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys. We'll show you the end result. Stay tuned.